Ever felt like you're chasing shadows online? That feeling when you're trying to build an e-commerce empire, but all you seem to find are dead ends? You're searching for reliable suppliers, the kind that won't vanish overnight, the ones that offer genuine products at wholesale prices. But instead, you're wading through a swamp of middlemen, questionable listings, and frankly, some downright sketchy websites. Sound familiar? If you've ever typed how to find reliable dropshipping suppliers into Google, you've probably stumbled across SaleHoo. And that's where the real question begins. Is SaleHoo a supplier? Or is it something else entirely? Because let's be honest, in the chaotic world of online retail, knowing the difference is crucial. It's the difference between a thriving business and a costly flop. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Imagine you're building a house. You need bricks, right? And you need someone to deliver those bricks reliably, consistently. That's a supplier. They provide the physical goods. But what if you don't know where to find the brickyard? What if you're new to the area and you don't even know what kind of bricks you need? That's where a directory comes in. A guide, a map, showing you where to find what you need. That's a crucial distinction. The internet, in its vastness, is like a sprawling, uncharted city. You're looking for those brickyards, those reliable suppliers. But without a map, you're lost. And that's the core problem many aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs face. They're searching for suppliers, but they don't have the tools or the knowledge to navigate the complex landscape. So let's get back to SaleHoo. Is it a supplier? The short answer is no. SaleHoo is not a supplier. It's a directory. Think of it as a meticulously curated phone book for online retailers. It's a platform that provides you with access to thousands of verified suppliers, both dropshipping and wholesale. Now, you might be thinking, okay, a directory. So what? I can just Google suppliers. And you're right, you can. But here's the catch. The internet is full of scams, fake suppliers, and unreliable vendors. Finding a legitimate supplier can be like finding a needle in a haystack. SaleHoo aims to solve that problem by vetting and verifying the suppliers listed on their platform. Think of it this way. SaleHoo does the legwork for you. They research and verify the suppliers, ensuring they are legitimate and trustworthy. This saves you countless hours of research and, more importantly, protects you from potential scams. They check things like business registration, product quality, shipping reliability, and customer service. It's like having a team of detectives working behind the scenes to ensure you're dealing with reputable businesses. But it's not just about finding suppliers. SaleHoo also provides valuable resources and tools to help you build and grow your e-commerce business. They offer market research tools that can help you identify trending products and profitable niches. They have a community forum where you can connect with other sellers and learn from their experiences. And they offer training and support to help you navigate the complexities of online retail. Let's break down some of the key features of SaleHoo. One of the most important aspects is their supplier directory. It's a comprehensive database of thousands of suppliers, categorized by product and niche. You can easily search for suppliers based on your specific needs, whether you're looking for dropshipping suppliers, wholesale suppliers, or liquidators. They also provide detailed information about each supplier, including their contact information, product range, and shipping policies. Another valuable feature is their market research tool. This tool allows you to identify trending products and analyze market data. You can see which products are in high demand, what the competition is like, and what profit margins you can expect. This information is crucial for making informed decisions about what products to sell and how to price them. SaleHoo also offers a community forum where you can connect with other sellers and ask questions. This is a great resource for learning from experienced entrepreneurs and getting advice on various aspects of your business. You can also find potential partners and collaborators in the forum. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about SaleHoo. Some people think that SaleHoo guarantees that you'll make money. That's not true. SaleHoo provides you with the tools and resources you need to succeed, but ultimately, your success depends on your own efforts and strategies. It's like having a map to a gold mine. The map shows you where the gold is, but you still have to dig for it. Another misconception is that SaleHoo is expensive. While there is a membership fee, it's important to consider the value you're getting. The cost of a SaleHoo membership is often far less than the cost of getting scammed by a fake supplier or wasting time on unreliable vendors. Plus, the tools and resources they provide can help you save time and money in the long run. So, who is SaleHoo for? SaleHoo is ideal for anyone who is serious about building a successful e-commerce business. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced seller looking to expand your product range, SaleHoo can provide you with the resources and support you need. If you're new to e-commerce, SaleHoo can help you find reliable suppliers and avoid costly mistakes. Their training and support resources can guide you through the process of setting up your online store, finding products to sell, and marketing your business. If you're an experienced seller, SaleHoo can help you expand your product range and find new suppliers for your existing business. Their market research tools can help you identify new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Let's talk about the advantages. The biggest advantage is the time and effort it saves you. Instead of spending hours searching for suppliers and vetting them yourself, you can access a curated list of verified suppliers. This allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business, such as marketing and customer service. Also, the protection from scams is huge. You are safe from many of the common pitfalls of online searching. Another advantage is the access to market research tools. These tools can help you make informed decisions about what products to sell and how to price them. This can significantly increase your chances of success. And lastly, the community support is valuable. Being able to connect with other sellers and learn from their experiences can be invaluable. Now, are there any disadvantages? Well, the membership fee is a factor. While it's relatively affordable, it's still an expense. Also, it's important to remember that SaleHoo is not a magic bullet. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's only as effective as the person using it. You still need to put in the work to build a successful business. And you will still need to do your own due diligence with any supplier you choose to work with. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.